Happy Monday morning. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on search engine optimization and why search engine optimization is important for you if you're starting an online business, you have an online business that you want to grow, or whether you have been considering going into the online business world. Search engine optimization is very important for your business because it allows people to find you easily. It makes for a better user experience. It helps you to drive more traffic, and not just optimizing your website, but you have to optimize all across your social media. Like for those of you out here that may have a YouTube channel or something, there's like 13 different social media networks that you can share your content right to, but a lot of people don't utilize this. And I mean, you should start using these social media networks along with other video hosted sites, depending on what type of business you're in, for search engine optimization and to help you get found easily, quickly. And you must include things in your search engine optimization, such as building site maps, because it makes it easier for you to index in the search engine. Another item to include, y'all have to forgive me, it's pretty early in the morning when I'm shooting this, is submitting your website. I cannot tell you of how many people I've talked to that just have a website, have no idea that you don't just post it on Facebook and say, hey people, here's my store, come and buy, that you have to actually get your site indexed on Yahoo, Bing, and several other directories that a lot of people just seem to not know about. But if you're looking to drive traffic to your site, consider adding a SSL certificate depending on the hosting company that you're with. And if you're with a good hosting company, I know a lot of them like HostGator, Namecheap, SiteGround, they already offer SSL certificate with their hosting plans. And if you're with GoDaddy, you might want to switch. But you need that, because if you don't have an SSL certificate, when you send people to your site, Google gonna show them a red page, and you don't want that, because that 9 times out of 10 hurt your business. And you should also consider, forgive me, once again, optimizing for voice search. I know voice search is something new to a lot of people, and you should consider optimizing for voice search so you can get found on voice search, because voice search is growing at a pretty rapid pace. I possibly soon will do a video on voice search. And another thing to optimize for is Google ads and Facebook audio ads, because you want to be you want to be on multiple different networks all at one time to be able to drive traffic, to gain authority, notoriety, for people to get to know, like, and trust you. And with that being said, like I said, this was a quick video, so check it out. I mean, if you like, share, subscribe, comment. If you got a question, message me, as I do check all my messages individually. Have a nice morning, and I'll see you in the next video.